Hi everyone, Mrs. Belo here. In this video, I'm going to be going over the 3 types of math problems that you will see on the CELS test for the math portion of the test. So the first set of problems will be over metric conversions. Again, you get this metric conversion chart on your test, and it's really all just about moving the decimal from the unit that you are given to the unit you want your answer in. So for this first problem here, I have 48.219 centigrams. So centi, so that would be here, right? And it's with grams, right? Any of these prefixes, remember, can be put with one of these base units. So you can have milliseconds, milligrams, milliliters, millimeters, centiseconds, centigrams, centiliters, centimeters, kiloseconds, kilograms, kiloliters, kilometers or kilometers, so on and so forth. So I am going to be starting here at centi, because that's the prefix I'm given. Centigrams would be CG for those units, the C and then G for grams. And we're going to convert that into kilograms. Kilograms would be kg, K for kilo, and then of course G for grams. And you can only convert between the same base units. So now I'm going to move my decimal from centi to kilo, from what I was given to what I want my answer in. So I'm starting here at centi. And I'm going to move the decimal until I get to kilo, which is what I want my answer in. So I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces to the left. Each box is representing a space or a decimal place. So I'm going to move 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now my decimal point is here. We're going to fill in zeros as placeholders. So my final answer would be 0 point, I have 3 zeros here, 0, 0, 0, 48219 kg, which is kilograms. So I moved my decimal up here on the chart, and then I did the same thing with the number that I was given. Let's do another example. So I have 3,481 DAL. So that would be, if I look on the chart here, DAL. So that's referring to, I'm going to erase this here. I'm going to leave the kilos here though. So DAL, so that'd be DA, which is for deca, and then L, which is liters. So this is decaliters. Not a very common unit, but it could exist for something. So my decimal point is here for my number, right? Because this is a big number. This is 3,481. So I'm going to start at deca. This is decaliters. And I need to convert it into, remember this symbol here means micro. And I'm going to convert it into microliters. So again, I'm going to, on my chart here, I'm going to start with the unit I was given, which was decaliters. I'm going to move the decimal until I get the unit I want my answer in, which in this case is microliters. So I'm going to start at deca right here, and I'm going to move until I get to micro. Remember, each box is a space or a placeholder or like a decimal place. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget each of these boxes is a placeholder. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this isn't one box. This is 2 boxes, and each of those is a placeholder. So I moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces to the right. So let's go ahead and do that with our number. Here's my decimal right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is going to be a very big number. Okay. So my final answer would be very big number. Let me count, make sure I have all my zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to put commas in there just because it's a really, really big number. What? 34. No, it's over 34. Big number, okay? And then micro, that's the unit for micro. It's this little backwards Y thing, liters. And that would be my final answer.